Hello guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Teoluckzboom. And this is challenges for you guys. Basically, yeah, that's what we did on this channel. And I know you all have been asking for this bam bam dance tutorial. And this one is this time around. We're not gonna do the choreography dance. We're gonna do the TikTok dance. Yeah, we're gonna do TikTok dance this time around. Now, there are various TikTok dances that are trending right now concerning this song. But a lot of things are going to say, tempting, na second, tempting, one thing, na second. So there are many TikTok dances that are trending right now. So you can literally up on any one of them. So I'll be teaching you 4 steps of the dance step right now. So if you are new here, kindly subscribe to this channel, like this video, and comment if you find this video helpful. If you learn any of the steps I taught in this video, let me know in the comment section, guys. So let's dive right into this tutorial. So the first thing that this video is mirrored. The first step in this video is this popular one. Listen, guys. So basically, you are rolling your body like this. Yeah, that's basically just start. So let me do one thing. I don't understand. Just start rolling your body forward like this. So do one thing. Listen, guys. First thing that let's do now together. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go up, down, neck, down. I guess, guys. Let me face that second follow me like this. Like you're swallowing something inside your body. So go inside your throat, to your chest, to your stomach, then down. Swallow, down. Then you are doing it fast. Let's go. 1, 2, 1, 2. So this is how we start your hands, so guys. We start your hands. It's basically 1, 2, 1, 2. I guess it's based on the 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. You literally get me. Yeah, you have to literally get me, guys. Yeah, it's an easy tutorial basically. So you rolling your body inside of it. Let's go from the start. 5, 6, 7. It's only one thing cannot understand. One thing cannot understand. So yeah, then once you have got accustomed to the dance, you put your hands and you fix your hands like this. One thing cannot understand. Listen. So then right, left. Fix your hand. Right, left. While doing the injection move. 1, 2, 4. Listen, guys. First go start. 5, 6, 7. Let's go. One thing. Listen, guys. So basically, that's the first step of the dance. Now let's dive right into the second step. And the second step in this dance tutorial. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shoot. Go forward like this. 6. Let's go. 5, 6, 7. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shoot. So when you one thing can understand. One thing can understand. Let's see, guys. Let's go. We start 5, 6, 7. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Basically, you put your two legs together like this. Bend. You're leaning forward. Then right hand like you're using something to hit the ground. So it's like this. Then so it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Direction. So it's like I'm moving, but this is 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So it's 1, 2. I think that so it's 4 times basically, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. Shoot. So it's let's go together. 5, 6, 7. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you take one leg forward, which is your left leg. One leg forward, then you shoot. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Shoot. Hope you getting me, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shoot. This dance is trending on TikTok right now, and let's call it in Nigeria and whatever dance you have. There's dance trend. So those of you in the US or UK, all that's in it, you can literally up on this dance, guys. Let's go. 5, 6, 7. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shoot. It's as easy as that, guys. As it says from start. 5, 6, 7, let's go. One thing, I don't understand. 1, 2, 3, 4, shoot. Listen, guys. Let's go now. After once you have not, I hope you are getting it, guys. I hope you are getting it. So, okay, if you want to subscribe to the channel, kindly subscribe down below, like this video, and comment in the comment section which dance and which step you feel you helpful in the comment section. So let's go to the next step, guys. The third step in this dance is 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, listen to it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go. 5, 6, 7. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. This means actually getting it. So it's basically 1, 2, 3, 4. Starting from the right leg. You are leaning forward. Like you're going something like this, guys. So it's basically 1, 2, 3. I get me, guys. 5, 6, 7. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the third step. Are you following me, guys? Hope you literally following me. Together, warm up. 5, 6, 7. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. So if let's say you are putting everything together from the start. 5, 6, 7. Let's go. One thing, so like once I'm doing the tutorial, once I'm doing the video by yourself, you have to cut it. Yeah, I'm cutting it step by step so you join it together with by individual steps. Yeah, individual steps. I think I'll put a similar video at the beginning of this video so you guys can get it. You see they are cutting it at the center, then you put your individual steps instead of it. So this one, they are doing it particularly. Then this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, shoot. Do like this. I do particularly this one. They are doing it individually too, guys. You guys see me? You literally have to be getting me now, guys. So let's go. The last step on this dance tutorial, guys. The first step on this dance tutorial is this one. I don't know if you guys can get me, but this is right here. You bend down like this. 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Look at me, guys. So I don't know if you're watching those dances that people are doing. I'm sure you might have seen the dance anywhere, but basically it's just you going up, down, up, down, up, down. So it's 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Hope you get me, guys. So let's go for that. 5, 6, 7. Let's go. Now you're doing the rolling. So you injection dance first, then you're setting your hands second, then you're moving third, then you're doing the bendy dance fourth. Basically, so you're doing 4 steps, 4 separate steps. Hope you getting me, guys. Hope you getting me. Let's go with that. 5, 6, 7. Let's go. Rolling like this. Rolling like this. Okay, then so let it flow. Let it flow. Feel the dance. You have to be feeling the dance, guys. If you're not feeling the dance, your body will be stiff. Your body ain't flexible, your body will be stiff. So you feel the dance, Then you 1, 2, 3, 4, shoot. Go like this, and you go back like this. You do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Basically, that's just the dance, guys. Like you don't have to stress yourself all over this. So it's a TikTok dance and it's trending everywhere. You can usually so I'm looking at this side, guys. So you can literally do it at your leisure. You can interchange them if you want. You can start the dance with one thing can understand. One thing can understand. One thing can understand. So you can start it at any pattern, any style you want to start it with, basically. So then, guys, let's call it a day for this video. So if you guys watch the video up to the end, thank you for watching the video. Kindly drop me a comment, subscribe on this video, like this video, and share to your friends and family. The dance is done, basically. And if in case you dance the tutorial, put hashtag Teoluckzboom on your video, yeah. And comment the video you want to watch next, and we'll make sure I do that video for you, yeah. The video to watch. And whatever you find helpful, let me know in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to watch these 2 videos over here. Peace.